Hello everyone, I'm Sarah Hoxie and this is the Quick Dish. Did someone say cebollas dulces? This company did. Shuman Produce is gearing up to start its Peruvian sweet onion season. Harvest will begin in late June with peak volumes beginning mid-August and continuing through December. John Shuman, President and Director of Sales, tells AndNowUKnow, our sweet onions in Peru are very similar to the varieties we grow in Georgia. They're incredibly consistent in both their appearance and flavor profiles, giving retailers the opportunity to promote a high-quality sweet onion familiar to consumers with all of the values attributed to the Shuman family name. Real sweet Peruvian sweet onions will be available August 2012 through February 2013. Sounds very sweet to me. Well, this fruit is helping the waistline help itself. Brooks Tropicals has kicked off harvest on its SlimCado avocado season. SlimCados are grown in South Florida and are very popular with the health-conscious and the Latino population, who often prefer this variety of avocado to go with their cuisines. Mary Ostlund, Marketing Director, tells AndNowUKnow, the avocado category is growing. Market studies are showing this growth is fueled partly because we eat more avocados as we age. Also, we're more health conscious, choosing more nutritious foods for our diets. The SlimCado is the perfect way to respond to this market trend. My favorite part of the variety, it offers half the fat and 1/3 fewer calories than traditional avocados. Well, as always, log on to AndNowUKnow.com for the latest news and updates. I'm Sarah Hoxie and that's the Quick Dish.